Hello everyone, welcome to the ICT course, Information and Communication Technology. We are going to learn from the ICT Cambridge book. This is the cover of the book we'll be learning from. Chapter 15, Proofing, Consequences of Data Entry Errors. We'll be talking about the consequences of data entry errors. Page 140. So let's start. Here are some of the consequences of data entry errors. First of all, we have embarrassment. Imagine putting up a poster in your school for a party with a spelling mistake in it. So the spelling mistakes in your poster will cause you embarrassment in front of your friends, and eventually they will laugh at you. Second of all, we have loss of money. Due to the mistakes of data entry, you can lose money, especially if the data you're entering is for a company where they will be using this data you entered as basis for their work. Third of all, we have prosecution, where a person could lose a job because someone entering his data had recorded that they had a criminal record when they didn't have one. So a person might lose his job because of another person that entered incorrect data in his record or file. For example, committing a crime in the time that he did not commit any crime. This is just due to the mistakes in data entry. So this person, as a consequence, might go to jail. Also, we have the wrong goods being sent, where products sent for the wrong customer instead of the correct customer. And this is also due to the incorrect data entry. And this was about the consequences of data entry errors.